You've been searching for that unbelievable, game-changing power, haven't you? What if I told you the ultimate secret to dominating the court has been hiding in plain sight? Today, we're revealing the most explosive tennis rackets they don't want you to know about. This is your definitive guide to the gear that will completely transform your play. We're breaking down the absolute best of the best, so you can stop guessing and start winning. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? So, let's play. Number 3. Babolat 2025 Boost Drive Strung Tennis Racket is an excellent choice for beginners and junior players stepping up to a full-size frame. This lightweight 9.8-ounce racket features a full graphite construction with a 105 square inch head, providing a large sweet spot for cleaner, more comfortable hits. Equipped with Babolat's woofer system technology, it increases ball and string contact time for greater control and a smooth playing experience. Its modern design and easy-to-handle frame make it perfect for recreational players looking to improve their game. Ideal for anyone searching for the best tennis rackets. Number 2. Wilson Pro Staff Precision XL 110 Red/Black Tennis Racket is a perfect choice for beginners and recreational players looking for power, precision, and comfort. Featuring volcanic frame technology and air-light alloy construction, this racket offers lightweight durability with enhanced stability. Its oversized 110 SQ in head and extra-long 27.25-inch frame provide a larger sweet spot, extended reach, and better court coverage. The bundle includes an Advantage 2 tennis bag with roomy compartments and a padded adjustable strap, plus a can of 3 tennis balls, with power strings and a forgiving design. It's ideal for players seeking performance and ease. Perfect for best tennis rackets. Number 1. Head 2025 Speed MP Tennis Racket is perfect for players with a fast game, offering excellent control, maneuverability, and easier handling. Made with high-quality graphite for both frame and shaft, it delivers a sensational feel on every shot. The racket features a 16/19 string pattern, 645 square centimeters head size, 300 g unstrung weight, and 27-inch length, making it agile yet powerful. Its elegant asymmetric design adds style to performance, while the 4¼ inch grip ensures comfortable handling. Lightweight at 11.1 ounces. It's ideal for all skill levels, making it one of the best tennis rackets for improving your game. In conclusion, the best tennis racket for you depends on your playing style. Whether you need the power of the Babolat Pure Drive, the spin of the Pure Arrow, or the control of a Wilson Blade or Yonex Percept, focus on what enhances your game.